Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Synthetic oil typically lasts between 7,500 and 15,000 miles, or about 6 to 12 months, depending on the vehicle's make, model, and operating conditions. However, always consult your car's owner manual for the manufacturer's recommendations. Advancements in synthetic oil technology enable these oils to protect engines better and for longer periods than conventional oils. Still, it's vital to regularly check your oil level and condition to ensure optimal engine performance and longevity. Extended life oils are available, promising longer intervals, but adhering to your vehicle's specific guidance is recommended.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.